Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lobster thermidor. This classic French dish features tender lobster meat bathed in a rich, creamy sauce, often with a hint of brandy and mustard. We'll cover everything from preparing your fresh lobster to crafting the decadent sauce, and finally, assembling and baking this impressive meal. Get ready to create a restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the lobster. You'll need 2 lobsters, each weighing about 1.5 pounds. Steam them for approximately 4 to 5 minutes until the meat is just cooked. Once cooled, carefully extract all the succulent meat from the tails, claws, and body. Chop this meat into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Remember to clean and save those beautiful lobster shells. They'll be your serving dishes. Now for the heart of the dish, the rich thermidor sauce. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter and sautéing 2 tablespoons of finely minced shallots for about 3 minutes until tender. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking for 1 minute. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of flavorful lobster stock and half a cup of heavy cream. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 ounces of grated Gruyere cheese, and 1 tablespoon of fresh tarragon for that signature taste. With our lobster and sauce ready, it's time to assemble this masterpiece. Gently fold the chopped lobster meat into your rich thermidor sauce, ensuring every piece is coated. Carefully spoon this decadent mixture back into the cleaned lobster shells, mounding it slightly. Sprinkle generously with extra grated Gruyere and Parmesan cheese. Finally, broil for 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese is beautifully golden and bubbling. Serve immediately for an unforgettable dining experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.